Let's now get you updates of what we were discussing earlier. New strategies here that are being planned by each of our big metro cities, because all the big metro cities are seeing a spike in cases, COVID-19 cases per day. This is as far as the national capital is concerned, after a series of meetings that have taken place between the centre and the state government, the Home Minister and the Delhi Chief Minister here. This new strategy, which is based on the report of an expert panel, which included AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria as well. So this expert panel here has made a series of recommendations here, all of which is of course going to be used to prevent any further spread of the COVID-19. This includes changing the containment strategy. This includes aggressive contact tracing as well, once again reiterating to what has already been followed to an extent, and conducting a sero survey. Our correspondent Ayushman is getting us further details here on this.
The containment strategy of COVID cases in the containment zone is set to be revamped by both the centre and the Delhi government. We are right now in Chandni Mahal area, which is a containment zone, not just this area but also the other part of Chandni Mahal. But if you see the situation here, looks like a normal day. There has been a police deployment, the barricadings have been put here, but if you see the situation, it clearly seems as if there is no restriction on movement. Now what will happen from here? The centre committee has said that somewhere the perimeter control will be important and the restriction will be there. Door-to-door scanning will be there, and somewhere people who are even residing outside the containment zone, their houses will also be marked. Arogya Setu app will become an important tool. A sero survey is going to be conducted in the national capital, where 20,000 samples are going to be taken to check the prevalence of the COVID infection in the national capital. We are being told that in the containment strategy, the contact tracing will be a very important tool, because currently the Delhi government has said that they are only contact tracing the family members. From here on, door-to-door screening will be taking place, and contact tracing of all those people who have met the COVID patient will be done. Somewhere in the coming days, the numbers may rise, but the focus in the national capital is solely on the containment zone, where the strategy is to test and trace as many cases as they can, because that will be the key to break the chain of transmission of coronavirus in the national capital. With video journalist Mrityunjay, Ayushman for Mirror Now.
And in yet another announcement that spells a relief for the affected people in Delhi here, with the Delhi Chief Minister saying in a briefing today, making this announcement today itself, that home quarantine cases with oxygen for COVID patients is now only going to be a phone call away. The Delhi government taking this responsibility that if oxygen levels fall of home quarantine patients, the Delhi government will deliver oxypulse meter to the home quarantine cases. Apart from that, the Delhi government will also regularly call up those in home quarantine to keep getting a health update from them.
जिन लोगों का इलाज हम घर पे करते हैं, जो लोग माइल्ड होते हैं, कम बुखार है, थोड़ी सी खांसी है या कोई सिम्टम नहीं है, ऐसे लोगों का इलाज उनके घर में ही रह के किया जाता है. उसमें हम डेली हमारी टीम उनको फ़ोन करती है, उनसे हालचाल पूछती है, बुखार तो नहीं हुआ, और उनको एडवाइस देती है कि क्या क्या करना है. अगर मरीजों को सही टाइम पे तुरंत ऑक्सीजन मिल जाए तो कई मरीजों को बचाया जा सकता है. तो इसके लिए अब हमने क्या किया है कि जितने अब होम क्वारंटाइन के केसेस होंगे, होम आइसोलेशन के, दिल्ली सरकार हर होम आइसोलेशन वाले केस को एक ऑक्सी पल्स मीटर देगी.
Undoubtedly, that would come in as a relief for many of those living in Delhi who are under home quarantine, that there is further help just a call away by the Delhi government. With that, it's a wrap on the show.